To begin with, turn the piece you are hanging over to the back side. Using a pencil, measure down a few inches from the top of the piece you wish to hang on your siding and mark as seen here. Now, using a square, draw a straight line across your mark. This will assure that your piece hangs level. Using your drill, create a pilot hole using a drill bit that is slightly smaller than the screws you are planning to insert. Using a cordless or electric Phillips head screwdriver and Phillips number 10 screws, screw about halfway in. This allows for the screws to fit into the keyhole insert in the VZ Hang keyhole clip. Now place the piece with the screws facing you as a guide for the placement of the VZ Hang keyhole clips. You may need to adjust slightly. At this point, turn your piece over and place the screws in the cutout of the keyhole clip. Then, simply hang your piece. Last but not least, enjoy it until you decide to move it or change it. Now that was easy. Thanks, VZ Hang.